Assalamu alaikum and welcome. This is a cup that I use for oud. I got it down at the falls one day. Visit the parents and whatnot. And this up there is a smoke alarm.